In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall Anaconda on your Windows 11 computer. Now it's really easy to do. We just need to go and open up our Start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow and select Category. Now click on Uninstall a Program. You should then be able to see Anaconda from this list of applications. Go and select it and click on Uninstall. You can then press Next, click on Next again and press Yes. Make sure to check all the boxes next to these different options and click on Uninstall. Now once you've done that, we just need to go and delete any leftover files. So open up your File Explorer, click on this PC from the left hand side and click on the C drive. Now click on Users and go and select your PC username. If you see a folder here called .anaconda, then just click on it and press the trash icon. You also need to do the same for .conda as well. Make sure to go and delete this. Now open up your Start menu, search for Run and click on this icon. In the search box, type in App Data and press Search. Now double click on Roaming. If you see a folder here called .anaconda, then click on it and click on Delete. Now finally open up the Start menu and search for Anaconda. If you see this application, right click on it and click on Open File Location. Now select this option here and click on the Delete button. You can then go and restart your computer and Anaconda is now installed. You can now go and restart your computer, and that's how to uninstall Anaconda.